One day, Thomas was at the junction when Gordon shuffled him. "Phew," remarked Thomas. "What a funny smell." Not long ago, Gordon had shit himself. Annie, Clarabelle, do you know what I think it is? It's Gordon. Annie and Clarabelle were deeply shocked. They had great respect for Gordon the Big Blue Bitch. It seemed to Thomas there was someone on the bridge. But Thomas didn't care a bit. A few days later, at the station, Thomas's driver was jetting off on the platform. Thomas found this most embarrassing. "I won't stay here. I'll run away," he puffed. "Come back," yelled his driver. "Fire and smoke," said Thomas.
Gordon was feeling James. This was making James grumpy. "Why are you complaining all the time?"
Because I'm a big blue plane when I know everything. I shall come whenever I want. You're just a small red engine with
6 small wheels.
You're just a small tot with ideas above your station.
"It's time for your visit to the works,"
Your dome has cracked.
said the fireman. At last, they approached the new station. Gordon was impressed, but his mood soon changed. In front of him was a wall.
Bother that station joke.
Well, Gordon, said Sir Topham Hatt, I knew you wanted a dirty Percy.
But this is good, right?
Yes, sir.
God, I hate my job here.